Serious shit. I cut this tag off. I didn't know what it meant. Apparently this is a federal tag. He's all mad about.
I just came out here to my truck and found a damn tag put on here by the HOA. You'll never guess their reasoning this time. Well, Brett, I told you not to move that dang truck, dude. Like, the fines and penalties for removing that tag is not worth it. It's going to end up costing you more in legal fees than your truck is worth. I'm not going to remove that tag because I don't want to lose my house. I really don't even know what to do right now. I just called my wife. I asked her to come home from work. I got to call my lawyers. But the letter they left on my door said, because I use my truck for commercial purposes, it's not allowed in the HOA. Just because I TikTok with it, it's commercial. I really do think this is discrimination. They also said because of the HHNF stickers and stuff like that, it's also commercial. I tried to tell them I make commercials with my truck, that it's not commercial use, but they're not buying it. So I'm gonna have to get with my lawyers on this one. And Brett, don't be removing those tags, dude. I'm telling you, like, they will crush your truck.